Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so we are on the All About That Base series, painting number 6. All right, so let's get started. 12 by 16 inch canvas, and the base for this one is Light Rose by Amsterdam, and this one is a fully opaque paint. Okay, this one's fully opaque, and let's see, let's start with the colors. Colors I'm using on this piece are going to be Mauve by Holbein, and I'm sneaking in the 24 karat gold by Deco Art in this one, followed by Indanthrene Blue by Holbein. Then I have this beautiful Pearl Lilac by Arteza, and topping it off, Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Those are my colors. This is my base. And of course, as you know it, I am using the Flower hairdryer. So that is what I'm doing. Let's put these back in the order that I had them, like so. And let's get this started. So as you know, all my paints, including my base paint, are mixed with water and Floetrol. And you can find the video on my ratios and how I mix my paints in video number 63 on my YouTube channel. All right, so check out video number 63 if you are new watching and you'd like to learn how I mix my paints. That is where you will find it, video 63. All right, and if you are new watching and you like what you see, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And that way you'll be notified. Once you hit that notification bell, you'll be notified every time I post a new video. All right, that takes care of that. Let's clean that off super quick. Now we shall work on getting the edges fully covered. Super important. I cannot tell you enough how important it is to get your edges covered. I've mentioned it in the last few videos. It helps the paint flow. Once you blow the paint over the edge, it helps the paint flow down the canvas. If the canvas is dry, then the paint will just stop dead in its tracks. And then you won't have a really pretty flow of paint coming down the side to match the prettiness on the top of the canvas. So I just use my finger here to dab the edges, make sure everything is fully covered. Okay. And as long as your table is clean, you could always dip your finger into the paint that has run off onto the table to reuse that. But if you've got a dirty table, you definitely don't want to be sticking your finger in, you know, anything that you may have on your table there and get everything dirty. And then one bead across here. I can't see what I'm doing, but let's just hope that is covered. Can't see. I will fix that after. All right, there we go. That is all covered. Let's pop the bubbles. Beautiful. I'm going to get rid of this fluff here, just like so. All right, so composition. I really loved the composition I did in the red piece, which was 2 videos ago, where I did a corner here and a corner there, and I loved it. So I'm going to do that again with these colors and hope it turns out just as pretty as the red one. So let's try that. So a corner here and a corner there. And I just realized this is Holbein, which is super rich in color. And I should probably not have squeezed that much Holbein onto here. I didn't even remember that. Now be very easy on the gold. You do not want to put a lot of gold there. The gold will take over the painting. All right, this is another Holbein paint. As I squeeze a ton of it on there, I better squeeze a lot of this Pearl Lilac on here. Let me tell you, I'm gonna really load up this Pearl Lilac because I really want that to come through. And then topping it off, the Amsterdam. Yeah, that's a lot. There's a lot of paint on here because I really just goofed that one up pretty big. That's okay. Let's see what happens. All right. Let's, I'll do what I did last time. So I'm going to blow into here, but then when I come here, I'm going to blow this way so that they're not on the same spot. Let's go. Okay, first of all, I totally messed up the blowout portion of this part. I don't know what the heck I was doing, but I feel like each painting is getting better and better and better. I thought I really loved the red one, and then I really loved the purple one, but oh my goodness gracious, great balls of fire. This is like by far the best one yet. These colors are amazing. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it, but I've got to fix this. Like it just looks like just so straight edged. I totally mucked that up completely. So I'm not going to touch this, but what I am going to do is fix that. So I'm going to stick my head in the camera here. I'm sorry. And I'm going to try and blow and fix this somehow. Look, what did I say? I always get my microphone in the painting. Always. Never fails. Look at this. I totally got, luckily I got it in the pink only and not in the actual colored paint. I'm so horrible at that. Look, I've got paint everywhere now. Look at me, I'm a disaster. Sorry, guys. All right, back to fixing that. So I have a feeling this might end up touching, and I'm going to be disappointed if it does. However, there's not much I can do about that. Let's just hope that's enough to keep it from touching. But look, it's already going whoop, right back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some pink here and hopefully just separate it. See what I'm doing? Just pour it over there. There, that's better. But there's air bubbles now. So I'm going to carefully torch just that pink part. There, because of the air bubbles. Okay, I love it. Now, let's just hope. Yeah, I have a feeling this is going to touch. Don't touch. Stay away from each other. Move away from the purple paint. Let's just hope that helps. I don't know. Problem is you add too much paint in there and then you're gonna have a lot of paint on the canvas, right? So I'm guiding it down and off the side of the canvas. So you can do that too. Okay. I don't see it moving too much. I could be wrong, but okay, I hope that helps. All right, I am going to just touch up my pink edges here. I'm going to bring you guys down for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So don't forget, get your stick, scrape your drips. I've already gone ahead and done that. So look at this. It's so rich. I love it. And of course, there's going to be shimmer to it because there's 24 karat gold in it. But look at this cluster here. I love it. So it seems to be working where I added the extra pink to separate them. So hopefully as time goes on, it doesn't creep itself back together. So it seems to be working there. So let's hope it stays that way. So there it is with the lights on. Look at that, so gorgeous. Let's turn on the flash. Okay, flash is on. And there's obviously, see, this is why I love 24 karat gold so much. It just brings the painting to life. I love it. Like the silver doesn't do as good of a job. There's just something about this 24 karat gold that is just amazing. So good on you, Deco Art, for coming up with a paint that is just stunning. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. All right, let's turn the lights back on. So there you have it, everybody. Of course, as always, I would love to know what you guys think about this piece in the comments below. Let me know. And don't forget, if you see one of these pieces that you really like, you can always commission a piece. You can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. Just please keep in mind, if you do commission a piece from me, it will take a few months because of me moving and I need to get reorganized. So just keep that in mind, but commissions are always welcome. So everything you need to know is listed in the description below. Discounts for products, my Amazon links and all that is in the description below. So that is it for now, guys. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.